Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the future of home cleaning with the Narwal Freo X Ultra robot vacuum and mop combo, a powerhouse of innovation that offers exceptional cleaning with minimal maintenance. With an impressive 8,200 pascal suction power, this robot vacuum tackles everything from chips and fur to dust and debris, ensuring your floors are spotless without sacrificing convenience. Its zero-tangling brush, featuring a conical design on a floating arm, effortlessly directs hair and pet fur into the dust bag, boasting a 0% tangle rate and 99.5% hair removal efficiency. The patented Rouleau mop head scrub with precision, guided by AI DirtSense technology, ensuring every corner is reached and cleaned to perfection. The maintenance-free docking station is a marvel, automatically washing, drying, and refilling the mops, while the self-contained dust processing system compresses dust for up to 7 weeks of hassle-free cleaning. Equipped with Tri-Laser Obstacle Avoidance and industry-leading mapping technology, the Freo X Ultra navigates your home with millimeter precision, hugging obstacles and cleaning right up to the edge. Experience the ultimate hands-free cleaning solution that's perfect for pet owners and families with kids, and let the Narwal Freo X Ultra redefine your home cleaning experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.